it is given find the least square number divisible by each 12, 15 and 20. Least square number divisible by this. So first we'll find LCM of the least number. See, there is only one sum of this type. Please do perfectly. The least number divisible by each one, that is 12, 15, 20 is their LCM first. But we don't want LCM, we want number, least square number. So first we are finding LCM. So 12, 15, 60 LCM we are finding. 12, 15, 20. This is 3 4s
Sir, you said, yes, this only.
3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 20 is not divisible. Then you can write here 4 into 1, 5, 4 into 5. So we get 1, 1, 1. So LCM of 12, 15, 20 is
Sir,
3
60.
into 4 into 5 equal to 60. So if I get 60, it will become perfect square. It will be divisible by 3, but we are interested in perfect square. So 60 is by prime division. Yeah, na? This is prime only, na?
Yes.
So it is 2 into 2 and 3 into 5. So which one is unpaired? This is unpaired, this is unpaired.
Yes, sir.
So to make perfect square, we have to multiply this whole thing, 60 with 3 and 5. This much followed.
Okay, sir.
Therefore, perfect square, that means that number will be 60. It is there, but to make it perfect, 3 and 5 extra you have to put
900.
900. Yes. So this is our number. So least number divisible by each 12, 15 is LCM. But LCM of 60
Why
is,
did we multiplied with 3 and 5?
because in 60 this 3 is unpaired, this 5 is unpaired. So
Yes.
60 is least but not with proper pairing. So extra 3, extra 5 you pair it.
Okay. Understood, sir.
See, again listen.
Okay, sir.
A very important sum. I feel it will be guaranteedly coming. First we found what is LCM. Then we checked whether LCM is perfect square. No. Because 3 is unpaired, 5 is unpaired. So to make
Yes,
that
sir.
LCM paired one, 3 and 5 extra, you multiply. That is your answer. Got it
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Understood.
if the
Okay.
answer would be perfect square, then we have to leave that 60 as it is
Yes,
only. No?
yes, yes, yes. Then
Okay, sir.
after getting LCM, if LCM itself is perfect square, then no need to put anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, we have to write this now?
Right now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, and the rest all sums we have to also solve it right now, right?
Yes.
Sir, but the fifth one is blank
Yeah,
evaluating.
I will put the values in that.
Okay.
First, second one you all try, then third I'm explaining.
Okay, sir. Sir, third you had once explained x is
Yes,
equals to x, then x.
but are you
Yeah.
aware of the method?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I finished writing the first one.
Try second one.
Okay, sir.
Try. If you are not getting, I will explain. The triplet of Pythagoras you are knowing now?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
5184.
5184.
Yes.
Okay. All of you got same answer?
Sir, 1 minute.
Sir, I also need 1 minute. I'm still solving.
Okay, I'm waiting for you all. If you're not getting, I will explain.
Yeah, sir, 5184.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ashmit, got the answer?
Yes, sir, I got the answer.
Sir,
Arnav?
we had, yeah, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we
Arnav,
had to do by prime factorization, right?
correct.
Yes.
Correct. Whenever it is to be multiplied, divided, prime number only. Third
Yes,
one.
sir.
Third one. In an auditorium, number of row equals to number of chair. So row and chair are same, then total will become multiplication. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So find the number of chair in each row. Let number of chair in each row be x. Therefore, row into number of chair is total chair equals to 2025. So that means x square is 2025. So x is square root of 2025. Can you tell is the square root of what? 45.
45.
Yes. X equals to 45. So followed this now properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, this. Okay, sir, I understand.
Right. Any doubt then please ask her.
No,
Sir, you have
sir.
written x into x, na, sir?
Yes, x into x.
Sir, that both the x symbolizes what? One symbolizes rows and another.
See, this is suppose one row, one chair, two row, 2 into 2, 4 it will become then.
Yes, sir.
But if it is 3 row, 3 chair, then it will become 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 9 or not?
Yes.
So every time it is
Yes, sir.
becoming multiplier.
Okay.
Like
Hmm.
chessboard, 8 horizontal, 8 vertical, there are total 64 boxes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you show the next sum, fourth one?
Doing. Again, see, there is problem with Ashmi. This fifth wala just write down that question 56 square minus 55 square and 221 square minus 220 square. That is the one. You want now fourth, na?
Fifth
Fourth.
one, we have to do it
Yes.
now.
All you have to do now. Student
Before this fourth sum.
of a class arranged in a picnic, each student contribute as many rupees as number of students in the class. So if there is one student, 1 rupee will be contributed. Total rupee will become 1. 2 student, 2 each is giving. Total will become 4. 3 student, 3 each is giving. Total will become 9. So x student each will give x. Total will become x square or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So
So same method.
same method, yes.
Acha.
Let the strength of class if equal be x. So if there are one student, 1 rupee I will get. 2 student, then each will give me 2.
Yes, sir.
यार अश्मित को क्या करेंगे? Sir, I was kicked out from room. Somebody is playing with him or what? How it can be kicked out?
Sir, it must be like that. How there is no option only to be
Yes, sir.
kicked out
It is not allowed.
So how I can kick out? And we allowed him to attend.
or something. Now recording only.
Ah,
Sir, his internet was also slow.
acha, acha.
We can help him. Sir, his voice was breaking in the last before.
So we'll say try again. We can record it.
In the class. Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
Yes, yes, yes.
yes, sir. Are you solving? Sir, are you solving the sum? I cannot. Okay.
Right, right. See, all we have solved. You should try now. Only if you have doubt, I will help.
Okay, we have to try.
Ah,
Okay,
because if I do, then how you will come to know no, whether you are remembering or not?
sir. No, sir. I thought you were explaining this sum also.
No, no. All we have done. If you are held up in anything, I will explain.
Yes.
So therefore, x into x.
Sir, 34.
1156 x square equal to
Okay, sir.
1156.
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
much you are getting?
34.
34.
Okay,
34.
34. Fine. Then fifth one, can you try? I had given 50.
Yes, sir.
What it was given, I forgot. I think 56 and 55. First one. 56 square minus 55 square.
Sir, 107.
Yes, it was 56 square minus 55 square. What is the answer?
107.
How you,
107.
how you did that?
Sir,
Sir,
a square minus b square is equals to a
Correct.
square
yes.
plus b square
A
into a
square,
square
correct,
minus b.
correct, correct. So that is a square plus b, a plus b, a minus b. ठीक है ना?
Hmm.
हेलो, हाँ मैडम, भेजा ना उनको 4:30 से, क्योंकि एक्चुअली क्या नेट कनेक्शन चला गया था तो अभी आया। मैंने भेजा करण को 2 मिनट तो। हाँ, नहीं नहीं, जस्ट उसको उसका आया, वैसे मैंने मैसेज भेजा उसे।
Sir,
आप
I
बाहर हो
will
क्या?
be
साथ में
back
नहीं
in
है?
2 minutes.
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ नहीं, अभी मेरा लेक्चर चल रहा है, मैं उसके बाद आपको कॉल करता हूँ। ठीक।
Yes, sir. Sir, after this, what we have to do, I got confused.
Which sum you are saying? This sum? This sum only?
One only. Yes, sir.
Then add, no?
This one only.
56 plus 55, add what you will get.
111.
6 and 5, 11, 5.
101.
No, no, 1, 1
Ah.
into 1. So answer is 1, 1. 6 and 5, 11, 5, 5, 10, 11. 56 minus 55 and 111. Followed?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Try next one. Second one. This one 221 square minus 220 square. This is 221 plus 220. 221 minus 220 is 441.
441.
Yeah, 1. Answer is 441. Then sixth one, can you try? 94 into 106. This is 100 minus
Yes,
6
sir.
Yes, sir.
into 100.
Minus 6 and 100.
Yes. 100 square minus 6 square.
Correct. 100 square minus 6 square. 100 minus 36 equal to 100 square minus 30. 100 square is 10. 996.
Plus 6. 9964. Correct.
7
Done, sir.
5 7 1. Find the least number which must be added to 7348. Find this perfect square and square. So 7348. First by division method, find what is the remainder left out. So I can write 8, 8, 8. 8 is the 64. So this is 16. This is 9, 48. So you can go by 7, 6, 42 more.
165 it will be.
5, 6, 5, 45. So this is 5, 5, 25, 5, 6, 23, 170, which is 2. This is 2, 1. So this is our extra left out, okay?
Yes,
Now you have to find 86 ka square.
sir.
So whatever comes, that much extra you have to put after subtracting. What is 86 square? Find in Ra.
Yes. Sir,
Come.
7496.
7496. Therefore 7749 minus 7348. 7348. 7348.
It was 746, 7496 it was. 7796, correct. No,
See,
not 46, sir. 96.
you're telling wrong values.
Yes.
So 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. So that means 448 should be added to make it perfect square. Therefore 448 should be added to 7348. Therefore, number equals to 7746 and square root of that number will be 86 over is the answer. Okay. Hello, followed or again explanation?
No,
Yes, sir,
sir.
understood.
What?
So whenever it is to be added given, then find the next square. So till this it was perfect square. 123 became remainder. So I want to make it by adding perfect square. By removing, if they say 123, I will remove.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Eighth one I just explained you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Eighth one
We had
already I
just done
explained you.
this.
So
Yeah.
now this you got answer of all. Now try, I'm giving extra question. Find the, okay, this one, right? Find least number what least number must be added to 2945 to get perfect square. Try this.
Okay, sir.
And any of you have doubt, no, please either post me or
Yes.
call me, because tomorrow I will be out. If my connection doesn't comes, then I will give you reply moment I get the. So tomorrow there is no revision lecture. You please keep on trying every sum because we have done all. Whichever sum you are held up, just tell me this sum I don't know. I will connect by phone or by video calling or by net so that I can make you understand. Monday you have maths exam, na?
Yes.
And when is physics exam?
Yes, sir. Tuesday.
Acha, ठीक है. Then Monday we'll have that physics revision. All problem you again solve. Wherever you get held up, please ask me. Try this one. Tell me the correct answer if you are getting.
Sir, I got 29 as remainder.
Correct. 29 remainder is
Yes, sir.
perfect. Then find
Yes, sir.
55 square.
Yes. Hmm.
This is 3025, na?
Yes, sir.
So you can say therefore the number to be added, number to be added equals to 2945 minus 2945 minus 3025. That will become, no, 3025 minus
80.
3025 minus 2945. How much you get?
80.
80. Correct.
80.
80.
80, sir.
80. And the required number is then 3025 and square root of 3025 will be 55.
55.
So whenever you have to add, then you have to find next square and difference you have to add. Okay? And whenever you have to subtract, then just remainder you have to remove.
Means
Yes, sir.
2945 minus 29, right? Like that.
No, no. If they say what should be removed, so that remainder should be removed. And what
Hmm.
will be number? That 294 minus that.
That.
Okay. Find the one some more. Evaluate root of 0.4225. Evaluate this. Again by coupling method. One couple, two couple. This is individual. So 0, 0, 0. Then 42. Here decimal. 6 into 6 will become. Here 6 plus 6, 12. 36. 6 remainder 25. 5. 5. Therefore, root of 0.4225 is 0.6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do this one. Square root of 79.21 find out. One couple, another couple, 8, 8,
It's
4, 16, remainder will be 15.
Sir, the answer is 8.9.
8.9 is correct answer. 8.9. Now, what you all do, try all the sums A, B, C, D, solve, unsolved. Wherever you get held up, please call me immediately or you post. Okay, sir, I don't know this,
Okay, sir.
how to explain.
okay.
Or
Okay.
late, 1 minute, just listen. Late night also, can we connect again 1 hour? 9:30 to
Sir,
10:30, so that all your difficulties, if it is there, I can solve.